Good morning student. Have a nice day. I am your computer teacher Reena madam. In previous video we will learn what about HTML. That is the theory part of HTML. But today we will start it HTML practical. So this is chapter number 3, more on HTML, and we have to start the practical in this video. First we have to start the practical. We will discuss some theory also. First about children, what about the HTML? HTML is the stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language used for creating the web pages. HTML defines and gives format to various components of a web document. First of all, we have to discuss what about the hypertext. So what about the hypertext? HTML uses hypertext. Hypertext is the way we move around on the web. That is by clicking on the hyperlink that take us to take next page and so on. Hyper means simply not in any set order. That is, it can take us to any places on the internet by clicking on the hyperlinks. Okay. Now next is children, markup. What about the markup? Markup is what HTML do the text inside that. The markup are read and interpreted by the browser, which display the mark element as per the specification. Okay. Next is language. What about the language? It is referred to the mode of communication between the web pages. Okay. So that is the hypertext markup language, HTML. Okay. Let's start it children. Next is HTML tag. So what about the HTML tag? First of all, HTML is a tag based language. What about the tag? A tag is a piece of code which act a label that a web browser interprets, and it interacts with the web pages, what to display and how to display. That is the HTML tag. Next is children, a complete tag having opening and closing both of tag. Okay. And next children, we have to discuss we use various types of attribute in that tag that contain additional information like formatting effects, elements and colors. Okay. Now we will discuss types of HTML tags. First of all, we have to know two types of tag in HTML. First is container tag, second is empty tag. Container tag needed opening and both closing tag, and empty tag needed only opening tag. Okay. So first of all, we have to talk about container tag. Container tag need both opening and closing both of tag. This tell the browser when to end the command and when to beginning the command. Means started. For example, HTML, then /HTML. This is the opening tag and this is a closing tag. Okay. So this is a container tag. Next tag is empty tag. So what about the empty tag? Empty tag are made up of just opening tag. That is not required the closing tag. For example, BR tag and HR tag. That is opening only, not closing. Okay. Next is children, structure of an HTML documents. So this is the simple structure of HTML documents. In that structure you can see HTML, then header, then start the title, then write the title and slash with title. We are closing. Then close the header with the slash and started the body tag. The main contents of the HTML document has written here in body tags. After that, close the body and close the HTML tag. So first, what about the HTML documents? So first, HTML tag is a fundamental elements of HTML documents. The tag is tell browser which elements to present in a web page and how to present them. Okay, this is the first starting beginner tag. And next tag is the children header. This is the first elements contained inside the HTML element. This tag is indicate the header section. Okay, not the web page header section. This is the header section of HTML web pages topmost page. Okay. Next is title. Title the indicator of HTML document upper left corner on the web documents. Okay, that is the title tag. On the web browser display the title only. Next is body tag. The body tag is the main contents inside the body HTML documents. In this tag we will write everything inside. We have to display on the web pages. We have to discuss here. Set the background color. we have to write any paragraph, any simple text, story, poem, create the table and hyperlink also. Okay children, so for this is the more on HTML, we have to discuss the introduction. After that we will start the practical. So for practical we want two softwares, Notepad and Internet Explorer. So we will start it in next my video. We will start the practical. Okay, have a nice day. Good.